Hello guys, welcome to your channel. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin in our weekly technical analysis. So last week I posted, I shared my technical analysis about Bitcoin and some cryptocurrencies, and actually so far the technical analysis is playing very good right now in weekly, very good. But for now I think it's a time for the pullback. Why? Is because I can see very obvious signals in one-day chart. But let's start from macro to micro, okay? A macro chart, as you can see here, Bitcoin is testing this area of resistance, actually, this area. One moment, let me just, I'm gonna close this, okay, perfect. So, as you can see, finally Bitcoin found like a little bit resistance here. Honestly, for me, the biggest resistance is going to be around $49,000. From there, I'm expecting maybe a major pullback. So don't get me wrong, weekly charts extremely good, very good actually. I would say we have a weekly sell buy signal in flow. Every time when we buy a signal in flow, it's a very good signal in the long term. Of course, I can say, as I said, I am expecting Bitcoin is going to have a pullback in weekly as well, something like this. This is the move, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks here, and after that a pullback following the MA55. Maybe, and from there we will see if we are in a real bull market or bear market. Many people, they are saying the bull market is not over. As I said, I am using my system. Of course, I cannot predict the future. So for now, my technical analysis, Bitcoin is still in downtrend as long as below $50,000 in weekly chart. That's simple. This move you can see here is just a bounce in macro. It's not a reversal, of course not. If we see the monthly chart, as you can see here, I'm gonna be very bullish in monthly chart in macro time frames of Bitcoin when I see flow showing me something like this, and also the TSB, the volume increasing above the TSB and closing above there, and the price is gonna start trending, something like this. When you see the volume below the exponential, in general, we can see actually bear markets. So for now, I think we are just in the bouncing macro and to keep falling, something like this. Of course, this is gonna change. Let's see. For example, right now here flow is very simple. Actually, that's why I really love this indicator, because this bounce is to test the exponential to keep falling. So I will speculate always in that way. So for now, as I said, let's enjoy the bounce, the profits, but in the long term, I'm expecting a major pullback as long Bitcoin is below $50,000 in weekly chart. Okay, I want to see weekly closing about there to think Bitcoin is going to not just $60,000, maybe more. For now, let's talk about now one-day chart. One-day chart is very interesting. As you can see here, we have sorry, let me show you here. Yeah, we have this area, right? Bitcoin, as I explained last time, was in this bounce, in this very good rally, tested MA55, and from here we can see now other bounce here. So as you can see here, this is the last area of resistance. Actually, there is no resistance here, that's why you see the price bouncing here. But as you can see now here, the area of resistance is in this area, all this area of resistance. So right now I'm expecting a pullback in one-day chart, I mean all this week maybe. Why? Because it's very obvious right now we have bear divergences here in flow. As you can see here, we have bear divergences here, and also, don't get me wrong, I mean the TSB is still strong, yes, but if we see, for example, 12 hour is showing bear divergences here. So 12 hour is showing this, and also 4 hour, I think so. Let me see. Nope, no, yes, actually, yes, this is flat, and also here we have, we have maybe hiding divergences here. And also the most important thing, flow is losing the exponential here, and also is below the the bottom of the Bollinger Band here. So that means the price is going to start trending to the downside here. Remember here, you can watch my videos about Bollinger Bands the same way I am trading here with flow in this with this indicator. So yeah, so how I'm gonna say this? Okay, it's very easy. Here we never buy, right? We know we don't buy here, we don't buy here, we don't buy here, and we don't buy here. Where we are gonna buy? Well, we are gonna follow the trend. The trend is my friend, and I'm gonna speculate always in this way to the upside. Of course, if this is a one-day chart, it's gonna take maybe 1 week. So I want to trade maybe 4-hour chart. I will speculate something like this. As you can see here, every time when Bitcoin is testing the MA55 sideways, so I'm speculating something like this, maybe 40,000, 40,600 around there. If this move is real, $40,000, 500 around there should hold this area. If this area breaks, the next area is around $37,000, $38,000. Of course, if you want to be bearish, you want to see the $38,000 broken, this one here, and we will see a massive sell-off to 33, 34. But honestly, for now, I don't think so. Why? Because weekly chart is not very nice. I mean, weekly chart is in uptrend. I mean, it's up with buy signals. So I will say every pullback you see now in Bitcoin is a buy for now. Of course, not now. As I said, this week I am expecting pullback. Let me check a two-day and 3-day chart. Yep, actually all the time frames are bullish, technically bullish. Yes, technically bullish. All of them are bullish. You see the 3-day chart, we have a yellow bar here telling us the massive move was coming here, and 3-day chart so good. Yep, yeah, actually we have hidden bullet divergences here in weekly chart. So yeah, we will see maybe 47, 49, maybe as I said in my previous video, in the next 2-3 weeks, maybe this month, we will see this level to be tested around here. Yeah, so now let's talk about let me check one thing here. Okay. Okay, one thing is very concerning for me. As I said, explain, the volatility in 1-day chart is still contracting, and Bitcoin is bouncing here. So this is very bad. Why? Because I want to see the volatility expanding, and at the same time the price going to the moon or rising up in the same direction. But in this case, we can see the price is rising up, but the volatility is contracting. What does that mean? This is not the move I am looking for to play with the volatility. So, based on my experience with, I saw it many times, the price is going to the upside, maybe 49, 50, I don't know, around there, and the volatility is gonna be here, very low. People will be super bullish in this area, thinking to the moon, $70,000, $80,000, whatever, crazy targets as usual. And when the volatility is very low here and it's gonna start expanding, you will see something like this. Simple. As I said, I am not bullish, I am not bearish. Just I'm sharing my technical analysis without no bias. Okay. So why I'm saying this, as I said, is because monthly chart is not looking good from my personal perspective. Also, you can see 2-week chart is massive wrecked. I mean, 2-week chart is very bad. It's not something good. Of course, it's bouncing from 50 level, yeah, but it's not good. And let me check 2-month chart. Well, 2-month chart is still green, so maybe we can see something interesting. Maybe we can see something. Let me see BLX. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay, So now let's talk about a little bit Bitcoin dominance, because I want to see Bitcoin dominance, how it's playing right now. Let me clear this. Weekly chart. It's still the same. Bitcoin dominance is consolidating in the lows. So at least 2, 3, or maybe in October we will see something like this, and after that we will see this. I'm gonna keep it like that always. Let me check Ethereum. Very powerful. Ethereum, very powerful. But as you can see here in weekly chart is massive for Ethereum. I am, technically speaking, I am bullish in this asset. As you can see now, it's testing the exponential 20 here in flow. So I'm expecting a reaction right now here, a pullback in the first pass. And I am still bullish. I am expecting maybe higher prices for Ethereum in the long term. Why? Because as long the volume is above the exponential, so that means it's good. I mean, this is good. But in 1-day chart, well, this is not healthy, of course, because technically speaking, almost 2 weeks, 10 days around there without corrections. This is not healthy for the price. I think just because the FOMO, people bought the news, and now you will see, as usual, a reaction. So what is in short term for Ethereum? Let me see. Well, to be fair, we don't have bear divergence in 1-day chart. We don't have it. So, but we have a sell signal, early sell signal here. Yeah. Okay. I'm expecting maybe a pullback, of course, in the short term, maybe around 2,800, around there. Let me see, 4 hours. Yeah, 2,800. From there, maybe we will see what is going to happen. If this level breaks, well, I'm expecting all the way down to 2,500. Honestly, I will say same as Bitcoin, as long they are above the MA55, I will say is a pullback to keep going, to be is something like this. I'm expecting something like this. Okay. Yep. Now, for now, all of them are pullbacks. That's it. Now, sorry, I did a mistake. Indicator templates, stream. Okay. So yeah, now let's talk about a little bit of. I want to show you something very interesting here. Bitcoin. Weekly chart here. No, wait one moment. I think it's 5-day chart. Where I found it? I'm sorry. Oh yeah. The 20-day chart. Why is 20-day chart is very important for me? Is because market makers, they are playing with they trade from Monday to Wednesday to Friday, right? And they don't trade weekends. So this how can I say this? This technical analysis in 20-day chart is telling me, like, now the price is bouncing from 20 from level 50, and it's gonna test this line. So as I said here, around there, to keep falling. Okay, I know many people, some traders, some YouTubers, they are calling for this is the bottom is in, because they are following the hash ribbons. Honestly, I don't care about the hash ribbons. I don't follow them. The reason is because they are very bad. I mean, they are very bad. I mean, you buy using just the hash ribbons. Maybe you're a holder. Maybe you will make it in the long term, but at least 2-3 weeks you will get wrecked. That's it. So that's why I don't follow that kind of things. I follow just my system. Of course, my system is not perfect, but it works. I mean, for me, it's working. So that's it. Actually, that's it for today. Let me check a little bit Bitcoin in 4 hours, because I want to be sure what is going to happen with Bitcoin in 4 hours. Okay. Yeah, 4 hours. As long Bitcoin is closing below 42,500, I'm expecting Bitcoin in the next 12 hours, 24 hours is gonna test $40,000, $40,000, $541,000 is gonna be my target following this technical analysis. Okay, but I strongly recommend you, if you don't have experience in the markets with leverage, I mean trading, with you want to short, you don't have experience, don't do it, because you will lose a lot of money. I strongly recommend you, if you have just at least 2 years trading, I mean seriously, not gambling, maybe you will be ready. Of course, I am not a financial advisor. This is an educational channel. And see you in the live stream. I'm gonna do the live stream tomorrow. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you.